guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the shop. And Bailey, he's down here somewhere. Not sure if you can see him in the picture, but you can probably hear him anyway. So, as you're going to see later on in this video, I took another trip up north to retrieve some more components for the shop. And one of which here is this Dake hydraulic press. Got a 75-ton electric hydraulic press, so I'll have to get it hooked up and be sure that it works. It looks to be in decent shape. I'll show you around here in a minute. And then, because that still wasn't enough to get the truck to ride smooth, I had to get a couple other pieces. Look over there, I've got a 30-inch chuck for the Monarch. Got the correct D111 mount on it, and the bolt-on jaw faces like what I was looking for. I wanted a Cushman, that's an Atlas, but I think it'll be just fine. It's a steel chuck, which is what I have to have because the lathe will run 750 RPM, and you don't want a chuck blowing up in your face when a cast iron one spins too fast. And I also picked up this steady rest. It's not really for my lathe. It's too short, but I think I can make an adapter plate down here for the bottom like Adam made for one of his and make this work. If nothing else, I've got some good rollers here that I can use out of this to build another steady rest. This one's a little different than what I'm used to. The Monarch one's usually split here and the top rolls over. This one here has just got a lever there that cams and the one side lays down and it's like a big U shape. I mean, I guess it works fine. I'm not sure what kind of lathe this is off of. Maybe somebody will recognize it and can tell me what it fits. I'm pretty sure it's not a Monarch, but it's a good heavy steady rest, so I think it'll be a good start. And for the money, it's definitely a good start because there's only a couple $100. The chuck there though, that shiny piece, that was a lot. That one hurt, but it's hard to find chucks like that. I've been looking since ever before I got the lathe even. And hadn't had any luck, and that's the closest, best one I found. It looks to be in really good shape. It's probably in better shape than any of my chucks I have on my Monarch now, so I'm satisfied with it. I picked that up at Yoder Machinery in Holland, Ohio. The guys there were super nice. I had a good time looking around their shop, but I know a lot of people don't like a messy place, and their place is 10 times messier than mine, so no footage. Well, I decided to just forget about machining. I think the best thing to do is get a boat. I think that's a faster way to get rid of money probably than collecting iron. Got a few out here. Beautiful day on the lake. Got the birds out here doing their thing. Canada's over there. Can't see it from here. New York's over there. Can't see it either. Somewhere that direction, Chicago. You might be able to smell it. Look at all the pretty green water. How would back in the day if you liked to work in that factory over there? Got those nice skylights to the north letting that natural daylight in. And all this time you're only 100 yards from being able to play in all this. That would suck. Lighthouse. Sorry, shaky cam. Zoomed way in though, that's a long ways out there. It's probably close to a mile. Like Jay Paydirt's building a sandbar out there. Got some CAT equipment Another nice office with a good overview of the lake. Must be a power plant. Looks like got an ore unloader down there. Lots and lots of boats. Keep Keith Fenner in a job for a while. I know a lot of people appreciate seeing the best thing that I did with this shop, which is putting this overhead crane in. It's by far the most useful tool I have here. And I love it. Let's see if I can get some stuff out. I think it's like 1,200 pounds, maybe a little more. Well, I think Bailey's happy to have a chuck to fit the Monarch lathe now. That makes it actually a usable piece. Without a chuck, it's not too handy for anything. And the steady rest, like I said, it'll be a good start for doing something there. I don't know if I'll ever find the right steadies for that machine, at least not for the price I can afford. I don't have any kidneys left after I bought this one chuck, so I can't give up another one. So I have to do something else as far as steady rest. That's why I got this one here. So next video, we'll see about firing up the press and see if it works or if it needs to go back to where it came from and get my money back. So from Brian and Bailey, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, I'll catch y'all later.